Hello everyone, we are the Lifetime Travel Mates. Welcome back to another lockdown cooking episode. Well, we're not in lockdown anymore, but we're too lazy to change the title, so let's just keep it that way.
What are you doing?
Jordi is preparing something in the kitchen, so let's go check what's going on.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey! Today we're going to make a Jhal Muri. Jhal Muri is a popular Bengali street snack made of puffed rice, some spices and veggies. I'm very excited, so let's go. Jhal Muri is very popular in Bangladesh and the West Bengal state of India, but it became popular in London after British chef tried it in Kolkata and started selling it in the streets of London. It also got popular in cities like New York City thanks to the Bengali community. We're gonna start with the Muri Masala, which is the mix of spices specifically for making Jhal Muri. First we need cumin seeds.
That's a lot.
Yeah, that's what it says. You know what? I miss cooking. We've been shooting a lot of trying food in restaurants and going to the beach. But I can't remember last time we cooked at home and I miss it.
Yeah, I encourage you to do that every day.
I do it every day, not in front of the camera. Okay, I think this is ready. You gotta be careful when you roast the spices because a little bit too much, it's gonna burn them and you don't want them, right?
Okay, let's see.
Is it the right?
I guess. It smells nice, not burned yet. So I just stop the fire at the right moment. We're gonna let it cool down. We're gonna put the other ingredients. This is black salt. It's not really black, just a bit dark.
Red salt.
That's a lot, but one last ingredient. We're gonna need 10 bay leaves. Okay? Yeah. I'm not sure if I'm doing the right thing. Maybe they should be fresh and then roast them. This is already dry, so anyway, it won't taste bad. And it's releasing some smell, so I think maybe it's the right way. Yeah, it's roasting actually.
Actually, the smell is really good.
Yeah.
I can feel the aroma. Or maybe we're doing it all wrong.
Yeah, just leave a comment if we are just messing up the whole thing.
The foreigners, they think they're doing it right, but they're not.
Whoa, what a mess. I have no idea what's gonna happen.
Don't you think we need bigger?
Well,
Bigger?
this is... Okay, let's transfer this to a bigger one.
Just in case.
You see? Ready? We're gonna grind. Let's take a look. Oh my god. Can you smell it?
Smells like
Smells good.
fart.
Yeah, it smells a good fart.
A little bit, right?
Don't do that. It's very strong.
It's definitely fart smell.
We have the Muri Masala here. Of course, you don't need this big amount for one plate of Jhal Muri. We just make so we have it for next time. Anyway, it's dried spices, so they last for a long time. You know one thing I miss from these cooking sessions? Beer.
What do we have
This
time?
week we have a new beer, well, kind of recently released. It's called Macadie, and this one is the Belgian Blanche. They have 4 varieties. We haven't tried the other ones, so we have to explore, but it's one. Oh, very nice. Wheat flavor, I like it. Let's put it in a cup. I want to see the color.
Wow, it's very fragrant.
Okay, what's next?
Next, you work. Cut some tomato.
Yes, sir.
Next.
Onion?
missed cooking.
I never miss cooking.
And then we pre-boil the potato. This is not too cooked. It's the right texture.
Try to see if it's spicy enough or if it needs more spice. Oh, that mustard oil. Not that spicy. I think we can put a bit more. Yeah.
More of what?
Muri Masala.
Sure.
Woo! Yeah! It's a party. As we like it. Remember, if you're making these for kids, skip the chili and skip the most spicy things because they might complain a bit.
Master Chef. Sure.
No, I'm just following what I read on the internet that kids and spicy food are not good combination. Okay, this is done nicely and...
Try again? No?
Yeah, maybe. Anyway, it was already spicy. No.
Better?
No, I think it's perfection. Perfection reached. Okay. Next, we're gonna add roasted peanuts. We're gonna put nice amount because we love peanuts. So, whoa, whoa, whoa! Look at this.
Hey! What?
I love peanuts. Next, puff rice.
Oh.
Nice. They recommend not putting too much of this because it gets soaked, so you want it crunchy. Yeah. If you need more, you can always add later. And then we're gonna add the sep. I have sep. A bit thick, a bit thin. We're gonna put a little bit of each.
Hey, don't eat, man.
It's nice snack. Oh my god, we need a beer for this. Sit a bit more. It has to be served immediately so the puff rice and the sep doesn't get too soaked, you know. That's it. Jhal Muri, Bengali street food. Let's go try it. So let's try with a beer. This one is again wheat. Remember we had wheat a while ago by Goa Brewing Company. It's so nice, perfect for this hot weather. Look at this, look at this.
Oh. That's nice.
Oh my god. It's so easy, simple. Not many people know it or not many people make it home.
Maybe we put too much lemon. That's just what I think, but still, it's very nice.
I guess since it's a street food, kind of easy to find it everywhere in West Bengal, not in Goa. very nice.
All different flavors and different textures. That's nice. It's a good snack with beer.
This mix of flavors.
Very simple.
You know, the raw onion, the tomato, the coriander, the roasted peanuts, and the crunchy of the sep, the puff rice, and the spices, of course.
Oh.
That's crazy. Nice. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and
Subscribe to our channel, leave a comment, and if you try making Jhal Muri at home, let us know how it goes.
see you next time. Bye.
Bye. Cooking episode.
Jhalmuri is a popular street snack. Crazy. One more time.
Jordi's preparing something in the kitchen.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey! Hey, what? Go back.